Hello all. Today we will learn about how to create a Google Classroom. Go to your email account, Gmail account. So you can find the Google Classroom icon here. Click it. You can see a new classroom being created here. You can select this +5 plus sign, and you can either create a class or join a class. As a teacher you can create a class. So create a class, it will ask for license. So you can give a class name, section, subject, room. These are not mandatory. You can give a class name for instance and create. Okay, now I have created a class. You can see this is my classroom, Teach Through Online. I am just entering the class. Now you can see initially there will not be anything here. We can later post things here. So now the logic is, the stream window will tell what are the activities happened in the class, right? The classwork window tab will help you to create assignment, quizzes, questions. If you want, you can put through typed material, or post some materials, or reuse any post, or a new topic that you want, anything else. Okay, these are some interactive tools which you can learn later. You can see the people tab, who are all the students who are present in your classroom. So and here it's the grade column will tell you who are all the students who have attended the quiz and other things. Let us now to start with your Google Classroom. After creating a new classroom, this is very important. Click here. You can see a code here. This is a unique ID called code, class code. Anyone who wants to join your class should use this code to join your class. Let us see how to join Google Classroom. Right. So note down this code, AS44TXK. Now this is my new classroom. This is, I have logged in as a student in another name. So now I am going to join the class which I showed you earlier. So click plus, join class. So type the code here. So this is the code of my teaching methodology class. Okay, and join. Now you will be joining the class. So you can see you have joined the class. Now you are a student. You can see stream here, classwork, people, but the grade column will be missing for you, right? So now as a student you view this. Now we will see what are the features as a teacher. Now you can go to classwork. So you can create and post materials. Create. You can create a material, right? So title of material is new, or education through ICT. You are going to give, you can say something like dear all, please read the material for improving online teaching through Canvas software, right? Now I am going to add a file which is in my system. Add file. Now you can go to your system. I already have Canvas teaching material. Here you can just click this and drop here, or you can upload by means of add more files, and you can select and upload it, right? So this is a way that you can upload. So it is a very big file. It will take some time to upload. Let us wait for it. Now you can see the file is uploaded. Now you can post this material, or you can select it as a topic. Already I have two topics like notes and test. So this is just a material, so I can post this two material under the notes category, right? So you can also change the title. This is ICT Canvas material, right? So you can put it as Canvas, and then you can post the material. Now the material is posted. You can see in the classwork there are two titles. One is notes. Under notes you have the Canvas material that you recently posted. Earlier I have posted a YouTube link, and then a introduction to e-learning, another material here. So all the materials have been posted here, and the topics here is test is another topic where already a test content is posted. We will come up to this later. So now this is faculty side. Now let us see what is happening in the student side. As a student, as soon as we post here, the student will now see in the classwork tab. He can see there is a new notes posted here. See, he has these two PDF files about learning how to use Canvas tool. So this is you can go for view material and see the material. This is how you can share information of like notes in your Google Classroom. Thank you.